Hi, hello friends. Today we are going to see the book back questions from lesson 14, 10th standard science book. The topic is transportation in plants and circulation in animals. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, active transport involves. The answer, that is option is D, all of the above. Second one, water which is absorbed by a root is transported to aerial parts of the plant through xylem. During transpiration, there is loss of water. Fourth one, root hairs are answer is both B and C. That is, B is projection of epidermal cell, C unicellular. Then fifth one, which of the following process requires energy? Active transport. The wall of human heart is made up of all of the above. That is endocardium, epicardium, and myocardium. Which is the correct sequence of blood flow? That is answer is C. Atrium to ventricle, ventricle to arteries, arteries to vein. Eighth one, a patient with blood group O was injured in an accident and has blood loss. Which group of blood should be used by doctor for transfusion? O group. Ninth one, heart of heart is called SA node. Tenth one, which one of the following shows correct composition of blood? Blood consists of plasma, RBC, WBC, and platelets. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash involves evaporative loss of water from aerial parts. Transpiration. Water enters into the root hair cell through dash membrane, semi-permeable plasma membrane. Third one, part of the root that absorbs water from the soil is dash, that is root has. Fourth one, normal blood pressure is 120 bar 80 mmHg. Fifth one, the normal human heartbeat rate is about dash time per minute, 72 to 75. Third Roman letter, match the following. Section 1, that is section first section, symplastic pathway, second one transpiration, third one osmosis, fourth one root pressure. In symplastic pathway, that is plasmodesmata, transpiration leaf, osmosis pressure gradient, root pressure, pressure in xylem. Second section, first one leukemia, blood cancer, second one platelets, thrombocytes, third one monocytes, phagocyte, fourth one leukopenia, that is decrease in leukocytes, fifth one AB blood group, absence of antibody, sixth one O blood group, absence of antigen, seventh one eosinophil, allergic condition, eighth one neutrophils, that is inflammation. Next one, true or false. First one, the phloem is responsible for the translocation of food. It's true. Second one, plants lose water by the process of transpiration. This sentence also true. Third one, the form of sugar transported through the phloem is glucose. It's not glucose, it's sucrose. Fourth one, in apoplastic movement, the water travels through the cell membrane and enter the cell. This is a false statement. Here, instead of apoplastic, have to write symplastic there. Fifth one, when God cells lose water, the stoma opens. The stoma opens. It's a false statement. That is correct. Is correct one is, that is flaccid and closes. Sixth one, initiation and stimulation of heartbeat take place by nose. So false statement takes place by not by nose, by sinoatrial node. Seventh one, all veins carry dash blood. So here it's a false statement except pulmonary veins. All other veins carry deoxygenated blood. Eighth one, WBC defend the body from bacterial and viral infection. It's true. Ninth one, the closure of the mitral and tricuspid valves at the start of the ventricular systole produces the first sound loud. It's a true statement. Fifth Roman letter, answer in a word or sentence. Name two-layered protective covering of human heart, pericardium. Second one, what is the shape of RBC in human blood? Biconcave and disc shaped. Third one, why is the color of the blood red? Because due to the presence of hemoglobin, that is a red color pigment. Fourth one, which kind of cells are found in the limb? White blood cells. Fifth one, name the heart wall associated with the major arteries leaving the ventricles, that is semilunar valves. Sixth one, mention the artery which supplies blood to the heart muscle, that is coronary artery. Next, let us pass on to the lesson 15, that is nervous system. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, bipolar neurons are found in retina of eye. Second one, site for processing of vision, hearing, memory, speech, intelligence, and thought is brain. Third one, in reflex action, the reflex arc is formed by D answer, that is receptor, spinal cord, and muscle. Fourth one, dendrites transmit impulse dash cell body and axon transmit impulse dash cell body. That is towards, the second one is away from. So fifth one, the outermost of the three cranial meninges is dura mater. Sixth one, there are dash pairs of cranial nerves and dash pairs of spinal nerves. That is answer is A 12, 31. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Seventh one, the neurons which carries impulse from the central nervous system to the muscle fiber, that is afferent neuron. Eighth one, which nervous band connects the two cerebral hemispheres of brain? C. Corpus callosum. Ninth one, node of Ranvier is found in axons. Tenth one, vomiting center is located in medulla oblongata. That is medulla oblongata. 11th one, nerve cells do not possess sarcolemma. 12th one, a person who met with an accident lost control of body temperature, water balance, and hunger. Which of the following part of brain is supposed to be damaged? That is answer is D, hypothalamus. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is the longest cell in our body, neurons. Second one, impulses travels rapidly in dash neurons, that is myelinated neurons. Third one, a change in the environment that causes an animal to react is called stimulus. Fourth one, dash carries the impulse towards the cell body, dendrite. Fifth one, the two antagonistic component of autonomic nervous system are sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sixth one, a neuron contains all cell organelles except centriole. Seventh one, dash maintains the constant pressure inside the cranium, cerebrospinal fluid. Eighth one, dash and dash increases the surface area of cerebrum, gyri and sulci. Ninth one, the part of human brain which act as a relay center is thalamus. Third Roman letter, true or false. First one, dendrons are the longest fibers that conduct impulses away from the cell body. It's a false statement. Here, instead of dendrons, we put axons there. Second one, sympathetic nervous system is a part of central nervous system. It's not central nervous system. It's a part of autonomic nervous system. Third one, hypothalamus is the thermoregulatory center of human body. It's a true statement. Fourth one, cerebrum controls the voluntary actions of our body. Cerebrum is a wrong answer. Here, the cerebellum controls the voluntary actions of our body. Fifth one, in the central nervous system, myelinated fibers form the white matter. True. Sixth one, all the nerves in the body are covered and protected by meninges. It's a false statement. The brain and the spinal cord in the body are covered and protected by meninges. Seventh one, cerebrospinal fluid provides nutrition to brain. So true. Eighth one, reflex arc allows the rapid response of the body to a stimulus. It's a false statement. Here instead of reflex arc, we write reflex action there. Ninth one, Pons helps in regulating respiration. It's a true statement. The next one, match the following. A. Nissls granule cyton. B. Hypothalamus forebrain. C. Cerebellum hindbrain. Schwann cell, that is peripheral nervous system. Next, understand the assertion statement. Justify the reason given and choose the correct choice. First one, assertion, cerebrospinal fluid is present throughout the central nervous system. Reason, cerebrospinal fluid has no such function. So here the A is the answer, that is assertion is correct and the reason given here is wrong. Second one, assertion, corpus callosum is present in space between the dura mater and pia mater. The reason is it serves to maintain the constant intracranial pressure. So here the answer is D. Here both assertion and reason are wrong. That's all, students. I hope that you may like this video very much. Thank you.